Hi there, thank you for visiting my channel. I'll be taking you through the CS50 assignment wiki as a project 1. Looks like we're connected and running. Let me show you. Okay, first we go to this index. These are all the pages I have. Now, the first requirement is entry page. This is what we're answering. So coming here, okay, let's go to that request. Takes us to CSS. Likewise, we do another one, takes us there. What happens if we type something that doesn't exist? Maybe random thing, and it goes to a page that has an error, and it will redirect you somewhere by clicking there. Right. Second requirement is the index page. Updating index HTML such that instead of merely listing the names of all pages, so when you come home, we have all the pages that are not just listed going, and each one of them takes you to the description page. Goes for each and every one of them. Third requirement is the search area. So we can type in here and be taken to that page like so. But what happens if you type a substring, which we're taken again to something that contains that, which is HTML, which when you click also takes you to the description. So that's what's just fine. Another requirement is the new page. You can create new. Be able to create another page here. Let's say CSS very quickly, and you see it gives you error message because we have CSS already as one of the pages. All we need to do is maybe give another name and Markdown content. There it is, we've created another page which you can see from here. Great. Another requirement is editing of the page. So each entry has to be editable. It's true for when you do that. You can edit this content. You can do that. Edit here. So let's try editing. Great. And we have a random page. Requirement which when you click takes us to any page on our wiki. And the last part is the conversion of the Markdown to HTML conversion. Let's edit that quick. There we go. Let's add more Markdowns. It's converted to HTML. So that's it for my channel. Thank you for watching.